Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and safety. 10 mm socket, ratchet, extension, trim tool, and disconnect the 12V negative terminal to avoid electrical issues. Once done, fold the rear seat back and lift out the headrests so you can access the seat cushion retention points. Make sure the floor is clear and light is good. This gives you room to work and prevents losing bolts. Now crouch at the seat base and locate the visible bolts at the front of the cushion. You now remove the front bolts using your extension and 10 mm socket. Turn them counterclockwise until free. Once the front fasteners are out, pull the seat cushion forward firmly to disengage the rear clips. You'll hear or feel the clips release. Lift the cushion up and out, keeping it angled to clear the rails. If the cushion sits on rails with rear bolts, remove those next. Make sure to support the cushion as you clear the rail slots to avoid snagging upholstery. You finish by unplugging any wiring harnesses like belt or sensor plugs, depress the tab and pull straight. Next, unbolt the backrest hinge bolts at the base. Once loose, tilt the top of the backrest toward you and lift to clear the hooks. Remove the backrest and set aside. To reinstall, reverse steps. Hook top, drop hinges onto bolts, torque bolts, reconnect wiring, then drop cushion back into clips and secure front bolts. If clips are stuck, spray silicone, wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.